Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Brown's Rod and Custom. We are back on our 1958 Chevy Apache pickup truck here today. Last time you guys saw, we were installing the rear suspension. And I actually just finished up the video not 30 seconds ago on the how to install the rear suspension. So if you want to see that, check that out. It should be out in the next day or so. There's a lot of editing to it, but it should be out in the next day or two. And that's a complete how to install a TCI rear 4-bar with coilovers on a 55 to 59 Chevy Apache pickup truck. So this is what this looks like. Thought I'd show you here. It's a hell of a kit. I mean, it's a hell of a kit. Looks really good. All the bars going across. Coilovers look amazing. Everything bolted up good. Everything about this went well, which is fantastic. If you guys watch the shorts, you'll see where we pulled the third member out and the axles yesterday. The reason for that is we could spin the axles a little bit, but we couldn't spin the yoke. So it was just locked up. So we pulled the third member, found that there was absolutely no grease in here, and some PB blaster, about 5 minutes of just playing with it. We broke it free, so now it spins freely and the wheels turn and everything. So now it will actually roll. So that's what we were doing there. Now, in game here, this is going to get a 350 gear with an Eaton True Track gear-driven posi. A whole new third member. Nothing in that will be there. That just comes out. And then the axles will get upgraded from 28 spline to 31 spline Moser axles and rear disc brakes. That's what's coming for the rear end. We're just not there yet. All new bearings, bushings, everything, anything, so seals, whatever, all that'll get replaced. And yeah, but for now, the suspension's on here and it's going to roll, which is fantastic. So the next thing, which is what we're about to do right now, is you guys see the bed braces are on here. This guy, that guy, that guy, and that guy. We're going to put the bed on this truck. There's the bed sides, okay? I understand they have some holage. One of them is way worse than the others. I believe this is the good side. I think that's going to be this side here. And the other one has got some holes in it. Probably going to replace the bed sides before it's over. But for the sake of getting the rear fenders on here, getting the bed on it, and verifying measurements and that we're center on the axle here with the sitting inside the fenders and all that. That's what we're going to be doing here next. So you will see that come in here later on tonight. There will be a bed on this. Be kind of cool. And the other thing we're going to do is put the front suspension on it and make it a roller. So here's all the upper and lower control arms, power steering rack, Willwood brakes with the 11-inch rotors, cross-drilled and slotted, all the things. It's all here. So all of this will be going on here as well here in a minute. And we will be putting the shocks and coil springs in. So we may have to cut the coil springs. They are very long. We shall see where that goes. But we had to cut them in this as well. So I mean, it's, you know, not the end of the world. They just come very long. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing here, guys. So stay tuned for this. By the end of the day today, okay, I believe it's Wednesday, this will be a roller. We will be rolling in and out, and it will have a bed, the cab, the doors, all of it on here, looking like something. That is just an incredible thing. Now, mind you, we're going to take it all back off, but at some point to paint and do whatever we need to do. But for now, we need to get this at ride height, which is why we're putting all this back on. We want to get this on ride height so we can get the motor mounts in the transmission cross member. Okay, so that's the reason we're doing it. And then everything should be dialed. Our pinion angle should be right, all the things, and we should be pretty good. So lots and lots of work to do. Stay tuned. It's all happening, and it's happening right now. So thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back in a minute, and I'll have another video for you tonight going over all of this once we have it all back together. Thanks for watching, guys. If you want to support us, please like and subscribe and watch the long videos like this one. That's the best way to support us, is to not just watch the shorts, but to actually get into the long videos. And that would help us tremendously. So if you want to support us, that's a great way to do it. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll be back in a little bit.